This video, we're going to use function notation to evaluate functions, and then we will also use function notation to look at some graphs with some functions as well. So let's go ahead and get started here. So in this first function, we have f of x, which is the same thing as y, equals to f of x is x squared minus 5. And we want to evaluate that function, find the y value when x is equal to -3, and then when x is equal to 0, then when x is equal to 5. So -3 squared is 9, 9 minus 5 is 4. 0 squared is 0, 0 minus 5 is -5. 5 squared is 25, 25 minus 5 is 20. You should show your work for all those. You can go ahead and use your table feature on your calculator to evaluate these functions if you would like to check your work. For the next function, we're going to be sticking in 2 for x, then -3 for x, and 0 for x. 2 plus 8 is 10. The absolute value of 10 is 10. -3 plus 8 is 5. The absolute value of 5 is 5. 0 plus 8 is 8. The absolute value of 8 is 8. Now we have g of z equals 5z minus 8. 5 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 8 is -8. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 minus 8 is -3. 5 times -3 is -15. -15 minus 8 is a -23. Let's look at this table to answer the next questions. When x is -5, y is 3. When x is +3, y is -3. X equals what when y equals, when capital F of x or y equals 6. So that's got to be x equals -2. The x-intercepts are when y equals 0. So that's at -7. 0. So it says it wants an ordered pair. The y-intercept is at 0, 9. Now we have this function g of x is -1/4 x plus 5. We want to know is the point -8, 7 on the graph. So we're going to stick in -8 for x. 2 plus 5 is 7. So yes, the point is on the graph. Let me show you that work. Negative times a negative is a positive. 4 goes into 8 2 times. 2 over 1 plus 5 is 2 plus 5, 7. That is the y coordinate there. If x equals 4, what is g? 1/4 times 4 is 1. -1 plus 5 is 4. What is the point on the graph? 4, 4. If g of x equals 3, what is x? So -1/4 x plus 5 equals 3. -1/4 x equals -2. X equals -2 times a -4. X equals 8. And we have the ordered pair 8, 3. Is 21 as 0 of g? -1/4 times 21 plus 5 is -21 over 4 plus 5. It's going to be -5 1/4 plus 5 is -1/4. So no, it is not. Does not equal 0. It equals -1/4. Use the graphs, if necessary, of the functions on the right. If f of 0 equals -18. What is the corresponding ordered pair? We don't need the graph for that. 0, -18 is the ordered pair because they tell us right there is the x value and right there is the y value. Then suppose y equals f of x, and it's true that f of 6 is equal to 47. Determine whether the statement is true or false. An ordered pair solution of the function is 47, 6. That's false. The ordered pair solution should have been 6, 47. All right, that's it with this introduction to functions here, function notation and how it relates to the points on the graph and the ordered pairs and all those things. You'll talk much more about functions when you get into pre-calculus. But all you need to know right now is that the function name replaces the variable y, and that we show the input value in parentheses here next to the function name, and that replaces the x's on the other side of the equation, and that the input and output generate ordered pair solutions. All right. I will see you for the next video. Bye now.